The Sony A7 IV, launched in mid-2021, set a new standard in the mirrorless camera market with its advanced autofocus, 33-megapixel sensor, and robust video capabilities. As we approach 3 years since its release, rumors are circulating about its successor, the Sony A7, generating excitement among photography enthusiasts and professionals alike. While Sony has not made an official announcement, speculation suggests the A7 V might feature a similar design to its predecessor, possibly with an articulating rear touchscreen and a larger grip for improved handling, especially for videographers. The new model is rumored to boast a 42-megapixel sensor, a significant upgrade from the A7 IV's 33-megapixel sensor, and an enhanced Bions processor. This combination could potentially deliver substantial improvements in image quality, processing speed, and overall performance. Autofocus, a hallmark of the A7 series, is expected to see further improvements with an AI-based real-time tracking system. This could enhance the camera's ability to lock onto and follow subjects, even in challenging shooting conditions. Additional rumored features include dual card slots for increased storage flexibility, USB 4.0 connectivity for faster data transfer, and Bluetooth 5.2 support for improved wireless connectivity. The A7 V's speculated 42-megapixel sensor and upgraded processor could yield significant improvements in dynamic range, low light performance, and processing speed. These enhancements would benefit both photographers and videographers, allowing for more detailed images and improved video quality. Video capabilities are rumored to include 8K 30p and 4K 120p high recording, along with 10 FPS continuous shooting with AF/AE tracking, further solidifying the A7 series' reputation for versatility. Based on previous release patterns and industry rumors, the A7 V might launch in late 2024. Some sources suggest Sony plans to release 2 new cameras this year, with the A7 V possibly being one of them. This timeline aligns with Sony's typical product cycle and would allow the company to incorporate the latest technological advancements into the new model. Pricing speculation varies widely, with some expecting the A7 V to maintain its predecessor's $2,500 price point, while others suggest a potential increase up to $4,000. The final price will likely depend on the extent of the upgrades and Sony's positioning strategy within the competitive mirrorless camera market. The camera community is divided on whether the next release will be the A7 V, the A7S IV, or even a new line replacing the A7S series. This uncertainty adds to the anticipation surrounding Sony's next move in the full-frame mirrorless segment. If the rumors prove true, the Sony A7 V could significantly impact the mirrorless camera market, appealing strongly to enthusiasts and semi-professional photographers with its enhanced features and competitive price-to-performance ratio. The potential improvements in sensor resolution, processing power, and video capabilities could make it a versatile tool for a wide range of photographic and videographic applications.